What is up, guys? It is Tutogic back at it again with a new video, and today we're going over the new mask of the Tutogic brand, or the Tutogic character, me. Yeah, this is the OG mask. All seen before. You must know all this by heart. So I'm gonna go on to another mask. There's another OG, but I never wore it. I wore it once for a video, but I broke it. Let's go. Let's get into this. I just realized I should have left the mask on because this one's broken. Alright, so this one's another OG, but I never wore it. I wore it in a last video. So, I basically said that this was a bulletproof mask. But, clearly wasn't. Because I broke it. So I was hammering it down and I got a crack right here, right? And then it snapped and I said, you know what, it's still bulletproof, I can still wear it. I was still going to wear it. And then I guess when I pulled it back to fit in my head, it cracked like that. And then I got a scratch on my face from it. Same old Tutogic design, except with the nose, lips, and red and black lines. But, another thing that you guys might have known, before this paint job, it looked like the British flag. I'm not lying. Alright, let's go on to the next mask. So this one's a new other mask. I think I'm going to wear this one more, because it's closer to the original Tutogic design. So basically, I just went for the original Tutogic design, gave it some eyeliner, 3D teeth, and that's all. Maybe some new line work. Black comes up here. A new nose piece. Not double liner, one liner. And then instead of another gold piece, it just cuts up to white. Now let's get on to the next mask. The school project. So I was gonna cheat in my school project and then just use the original Tutogic mask. But then I realized, wait a minute, I'm gonna have to write a paragraph about why that mask has to do with the story I'm reading. And then I said, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna make a new mask. So this is my mask right now. This mask is about the 7 deadly sins because of the 7 colors. There's a 12 in the eyes, 1 and 2. Pretty sure that's where it is. My glasses fogged up because there's no holes because this is supposed to be like a mask for a costume party and I would take off my glasses. Same design as the last one. 3D teeth, but just different colors all around. Still kept the green up here. Eyes are the same triangle eyes as before, no eyeliner. Still made of the same cereal box. Let's get on to the blue mask. So this one's the same as the other two, except it's painted blue. New line work, same 3D teeth, but a little bigger. Still same nose. Oh, the last one had a red nose. Should have said that earlier. Yeah, that's all. This one has a bigger eye. I don't know why. The smile is weird. I hate this one. I love the color, but I hate how I drew it. I hate how the eyes are. I hate how the mouth are. And that's all for the new mask of Tutogic. I'm coming up with 4 more, but I need more cardboard. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you kids later. Maybe with another mask on this time and talking about some 24-hour bathroom stuff. Peace.
Niggers? Is this a racist cartoon?